Did you know your brain is home to about 86 billion neurons? These tiny cells are the real powerhouses behind every thought, feeling, and decision you make. Neurons don't actually touch each other. Instead, they communicate through electrical signals and chemicals, creating a vast network inside your head. Every time you learn something new or practice a skill, your neurons are busy making new connections. The more connections you have, the faster and sharper your thinking becomes. That's why practicing a skill or solving problems can literally rewire your brain and boost your intelligence. It's not about having the biggest brain, but about how well your neurons are connected. Even with fewer neurons, a brain with strong networks can think faster and deeper. Want to strengthen your thinking capacity? Try learning something new every day. Use both logic and creativity. Focus on one task at a time, and make sure you get enough sleep. Every day you challenge your mind, you're building a smarter, more powerful brain. Comment below, what's one thing that makes your brain feel sharp and alive? And if this helped you think clearer, share and subscribe to RS Inspire World. Because your thoughts build your future, neuron by neuron.